the box here. We will use the design, add some explore changes. So there is a random box in the make video where we will find some shapes here. Make the changes around it. We have to find it and attractive design. Let's try to make the changes. Thank you for watching the video. Use the pattern string there. Thanks for watching the video.